Hi guys, welcome back to another Beyblade video. Today I have another HASBRO unboxing. I was surprised that HASBRO bays are in my country. By the way, these HASBRO are very expensive. They cost me this one pack cost me around $30. Okay, let's start with unboxing. I have Evil Kerbecs and Nightmare Rex. Okay, now I have these two HASBRO launchers, stickers and instructions, everything. Now the two bays. You all people know that I never have had a HASBRO Beyblades because in my country they only sell Takara New Boy Beyblades and you know. So I was very surprised that I found this HASBRO 2-pack. There was only 2 packs. This and I unboxed another one. You can see it came with I think these two. Grand Pegasus and Ultimate Gravity Destroyer Stamina, something like that. And I got 2 launchers, 2 stickers, everything. Okay, let's unbox this. Here's everything in the box. 2 codes and collector cards. I'll not show you the codes, I'll only show you what's here. As you can see. Okay. And the 2 bays. Ooh, think they are very cool. I like that HASBRO printed the face balls. Okay, now here's the 2 bays launchers. Here are the parts. The first one I want to read was the clear wheel of wait a moment, of Nightmare Rex. This is Nightmare and this is Rex. Pretty cool. And this spin track is this came also with Poison Serpent and Shinobi Salamander. It's also known as Shinobi Salamander, Ninja Salamander, and the SD tip. The other bay come with Evil. And no, this is Evil Kerbecs and 230 XF Extreme Flat. Okay, let's arrange them and show you the 2 launchers. Now here's the stickers and the launcher of Evil Kerbecs, and these are instructions and stickers for Nightmare Rex. Launcher tool. Okay, let's see the instructions. As always, don't care how to arrange and assemble your Beyblade. Let it trip. I'm used to go shoot. Let's assemble these. First, this is Nightmare Rex. This spin track. I have 2 modes. I don't know what the name of these, but it's you can upside down and put it. Okay, now I'll assemble them. Here is the base launcher, Evil Kerbecs, 230 Extreme Flat, and Nightmare Rex SW145 SD. I already have only this 200 and so this spin track from Takara, and I really wanted this metal wheel I loved it. Okay, let's try this base. Okay, now I'll try these in this fake stadium. My BB10 Jakarta BB10 stadium is with my cousin, so I can't try it then. I will first try both with light launchers too, modified, free spinning. Oh, one hit. Now I'll try them by HASBRO launchers. Pretty weak. I don't know how to use them. I will modify them so Jimmy became stronger. I really enjoyed playing with this HASBRO. I love that HASBRO printed the faceballs, and here these four are my only 4 Beyblades. I wish that there was more Beyblades. This 2-pack, the one cost me about $30 USA dollars. 30 only. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below. Watch here my other videos and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.